Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to quickly explain the difference between application forms and sign-up forms in Wave. So they both collect information but they're used for different things. So the easiest way to remember it is application forms are used when someone is applying for something and sign-up forms are used for new memberships and membership renewals. So application forms are used when someone needs to submit information that will be reviewed or approved. So they're really flexible, so you can use them for things like applications, grants, community applications, speaker applications, or expressions of interest. So, for example, someone applying for an award might need to answer a few questions, upload documents, and provide their contact details. An admin can then review everything and then decide whether to accept the application. So, application forms are the best option when there's some kind of review or approval process involved. And then we've got sign up forms, are specifically used for new members and membership renewals. So they allow someone to enter their details, choose a membership package, and provide any billing or payment information that's needed. So existing members can also use a sign up form to check or update their details when renewing their membership. So you would use a sign up form when someone is joining as a new member or renewing their current membership. So when you open both screens, when you would go into open an application form or create a sign up form, both forms look pretty similar at first. So you can add like a name, a description, a banner, and everything like that. Or you can, but the main difference is the settings on the right hand side here are a bit different though. So application forms are more focused on submissions and approvals with options like notifications, ABN checks, digital signatures, and redirecting someone after they submit the form. So you can see all these settings here. And then if you go into sign up form, you can see the settings are more focused on memberships with options for membership packages, member restrictions, locking package selections, and creating zero invoices. So yeah, basically, just to keep it simple, just to summarize, use an application form when someone's applying for something, when their submission needs to be approved, and then use a sign up form when someone is joining as a new member or renewing their membership. So yeah, thank you for watching. That was a quick rundown of the differences. Look out next, I'll be doing a video on how to create your forms, so look out for that. I hope it was helpful, and please reach out to the Wave team if you have any questions. I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.